Just not right for you. And you can tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your face when you say that he's the one that you want. And you're spending all your time in this wrong situation anytime you want it to stop. And I know I can treat you better than he can, and any girl like you deserves a gentleman. Tell me, why are you wasting time? I know you're wasting crime when you should be with me instead. I know I can treat you better than he can. Tell me, why are you wasting time? I know you're wasting crime when you should be with me instead. I know I can treat you better than he can.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part was down below. I just really wanted to show you guys a budget-friendly option for planning, because I know a lot of you out there don't have a lot of money for stickers, and now that I have a job, I'm getting money and I actually had to work with what I got. I'm trying to limit the amount of stickers that I take in and just wait for really fun stuff, and so I wanted to use a lot of the stickers that I do have lying around. So a lot of these stickers that you see me write on are actually leftovers from other kits. I actually have a huge pile of leftover stickers from past kits that I've done, and this is only part of them. This is only the ones that had like the pastel colors that match this week. And then I had this sticker book that I got from Michael's that I was dying to use because I just love all the food stickers in it, and to my surprise it even had layering stickers in it. And I also wanted another chance to use some of the stocked up washi that I have in my collection. This is all from Michael's. These 4 came in a pack together and these 2 came in 2 other ones, and so just using what you got and making something pretty cool with it. I'm not totally obsessed with it, but honestly I love the chance to like doodle and create different stuff. I gotta say, out of all the boxes, the cupcake and the macaroons are my favorite 2 boxes, if you will. And so I really like that. And the sidebar, I think they both turned out really cute. And so I just want to give a shout out to Gemini for commenting in my last video because it meant a lot to me. And she was actually kind of the inspiration because she says she was inspired by what I was doing and how it would be a great way to save money. So I thought I would do a budget-friendly plan with me. And expect to see a lot more budget-friendly plan with me coming up soon. In fact, since you made it to the end of this video, you get a sneak peek of next week. So next week is going to be another no Etsy kit week, where basically all of these are stickers from Michael's sets that I got, and it's going to be very bright and very summery, so get really excited for that. And if you're interested in seeing when I do post this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video, and so you officially become part of the Ivy League. And don't forget to check out the other content that I have on my channel. I just posted a writing vlog this past Friday, and I'm planning on posting a Reckless Journal video on this Friday, so get really excited for that. And until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!